In this video, you'll learn how to buy Cardano on KuCoin. By following these instructions, you will be able to navigate the platform and complete your purchase of Cardano efficiently. Start by opening a web browser and navigating to the KuCoin website. Ensure that you are on the official KuCoin website, which features a clean interface with various options for trading and buying cryptocurrencies. Once the homepage loads, locate the button labeled Buy Crypto prominently displayed on the top of the screen. This button allows you to initiate the process of purchasing cryptocurrencies directly on the platform. After clicking Buy Crypto, a new message will appear informing you that you can buy instantly using various payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, and bank transfers. This provides you with flexible options for completing your purchase. Next, click on the Trade Now button, which will take you to the trading interface. This section is where you will specify the details of your Cardano purchase. Upon entering the trading section, you will see a message indicating buy and sell crypto instantly. This confirms that you are in the right area to make your transaction. Continuing from here, click on the Buy button. This action will prompt a new screen where you can select the currency and amount you wish to purchase. Now, click on USD to specify the currency you will use for the transaction. This is important as it defines the basis for your Cardano purchase. Type in the amount of USD you want to spend to buy Cardano. Make sure to check your available balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Next, click on the drop-down labeled Crypto to select the cryptocurrency you intend to purchase. This step is crucial for specifying that you want to acquire Cardano. After clicking on Crypto, a search bar will appear. Type ADA into this search bar to find Cardano quickly. This helps in narrowing down the selection to the specific cryptocurrency you are interested in. Once you see ADA in the search results, click on it. This will confirm your selection of Cardano as the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Following this, click on Pay With to choose your preferred payment method. This step allows you to select how you will complete the transaction. Select your payment method from the options provided. Ensure that your chosen method is supported, as this will affect the speed and convenience of your purchase. Next, click on Google Pay if that is your preferred payment method. This option might vary based on your account settings and available payment methods. Once you have selected the payment method, click on Buy ADA to proceed with your purchase. This action will initiate the transaction process. Now, you will see a confirmation screen displaying the details of your purchase. Click on You're paying to review the payment details before finalizing the transaction. After reviewing, click on Discount if applicable. This option shows any potential discounts you may receive on your purchase. Then click on Pay With, once again, to confirm the payment method you wish to use for this transaction. Next, click on the ADAD price to review the current market price of Cardano. This information is essential for understanding the value of your purchase. After that, click on Fee to check the transaction fees associated with your purchase. Being aware of these fees is vital for understanding the total cost. Now, review the You Receive Estimated section to see how much Cardano you will receive based on your transaction details. This allows you to confirm that the amount aligns with your expectations. A message will appear stating that by proceeding, you confirm your agreement to the terms and conditions. It is important to read this information carefully before continuing. Finally, click on Pay to complete your purchase of Cardano. This action will finalize the transaction, and you should receive a confirmation of the successful purchase shortly after. If you'd like to buy Cardano on KuCoin yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This ensures you have direct access to the platform for your transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.